Hi guys, welcome back to Chess the Matthew. So on this video, we will play puzzles and we will try more puzzles on this video so that it can actually help us for our critical thinking on chess, because puzzles was actually designed for any chess player so that he can easily go for a winning moves or even a checkmate. For example, on this position in which the white here can actually win through checkmate in just 2 moves. So first thing to do, we shall see first the position. For example, the adversary king, which is on the g7. So we shall see on this position that the black king on g8 has no defense, uh, defending these squares or even attacking these squares, so that this king cannot go on this particular square, which is f7 and h7. So here we can draw out that, for example, by giving a check on this d8, we can actually give him an attack to the black's king. But for example, after giving a check, although there is a cover, but this cover has no defense, so we can actually grab that rook and checkmate the black's king here in just 2 moves, because the king cannot escape actually on this square. And again, he cannot actually even to capture, for example, recapture on the e8, for example, after this check. So it is checkmate. So next puzzle, for example, on this position, again, we are playing as black. So again, first thing first is to look at the adversary king. For example, the white here, the black king is on the g1. So again, the king cannot go on these squares because of his own pawn. So second is, how can we attack the king? Or even, is there any pieces for white which is actually been already attacked by our pieces? But for example, this position, there is none. So we will proceed again to the main plan, which is to checkmate. So here on this position, the white here was actually losing through checkmate in just 2 moves. So first, to deliver the checkmate is to give a check. So we can actually deliver check on the d1. So what if, for example, if we can give a check, is there any cover or capture on this square, or even the king can escape? So again, there is no pieces that can actually capture this square for our rook, and again, the king cannot escape. So the only thing you can do is to cover the check, and again, after covering the check, we can deliver now a checkmate in just 2 moves. So another puzzle on this position. Again, first thing first, we try to look the position of the black's king, or the adversary king, which is the black, is sitting on the h8, and we shall see in this position that the king can be checked on the e8 square, and he cannot escape to g7 because there is again a pawn on h7 and a rook on h7. He cannot escape the check if we can give the check. So what else the black can do for the check? The only thing to do for black is to cover the check if we can deliver the rook to a8, because he cannot capture a rook after we land that rook on the a8. And after that cover, we can deliver now a checkmate by a rook takes f8 checkmate. So again, on this position, still this is actually a back rank checkmate, because the king was actually vulnerable on the back rank, and we can, for example, after a grab on that bishop, he can be back rank mated after rook takes to a8. So finally, on this position, if we cannot deliver a checkmate, for example, looking add to the position of the adversary king. The king here has so many squares to go, even though we can give a check to the adversary king. And again, second, there is no immediate checking to this king. Our rook here cannot give a check to this king on g4. So what else we can do if we cannot checkmate our adversary king? The next thing to do is to win some pieces. So how we can win some pieces? So again, we shall look to the positions or the placement of the white pieces on this position. So we shall see on this position now that the knight on this square has only one defender. So we have two attackers here with two rooks battering on this knight to e4. So after we grab that knight, we can win the knight, for example, after this capture. And again, leaving the position with a material up with 2 pawns up after this rook takes to e4. So again, just a conclusion on this video. If we cannot checkmate our king, then we will try to look at some point that we can win some pieces. So here in this position, again, it is still a checkmate n2 with a back rank mate. For example, after we give a check here and after he cover, it is already now a checkmate. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video and please don't forget to subscribe.